In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your McDonald's promo code in November 2024. These codes provide customers with discounts or special deals on their favorite menu items, making meals more affordable and adding extra value. To do this, simply head into your Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in McDonald's promo code November 2024. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 35% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to your McDonald's app. All you need to do is just paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. That's how easy it is to get your McDonald's promo code in November of 2024. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.